Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of the 1969 Dodge Charger Funny Car, Hot Wheels edition, by Polar Lights, 125 scale. Picked this one up at Ollie's a few days back, and here's some box art for it. This is a round 2 release. Kit number P0L988-12. That's that. And on the back side we have a bunch of general information. Kind of a list of what's inside the kit. And I don't see a release date on this kit, but I do believe it was at least 2 years ago. So that would be 2022 for this particular version. 2021. That's close. Alright. Go ahead and cut her open. Let's see what kind of goodies we got inside on this one. I have not had the opportunity to have this kit, so I don't know anything about it. I'm going to find out just like you in the next few minutes. Hope everyone's having a great day. This here on the sticker here, it says it features Hot Wheels decals or stickers, pad printed vinyl tires and belt, multiple wheel options. Alright. In the background there you can see rear end parts and the engine block drying up for the Pinto 77 Pinto kit. Excited to get that one built. Alright folks, right off the top we've got a couple of chrome trees here in a bag. We'll go ahead and tear into them, or cut into them, whichever. Alright, first tree we have. Ooh, they really do have some nice wheel options. Look at those. It's probably better without my hand behind it. Well, maybe not for the focus. Looks like these two make a set and these two make a set. Pretty neat. Some more options here. Those look like all front wheel options. And these, yep, these are rear wheel options. So you get 2 rear wheel options and 1, 2, 3 front wheel options. Pretty cool. Little front end suspension parts here with the shock absorbers. And this appears to be the front of the blower. Rear wheelie bar and coil springs. Boy, lost for words there. A little tiny little dashboard there. Holds your gauges. And this is probably an RPM gauge. That's it for that tree. On the next one we have, oh cool, a couple of we used to call them moon tanks, the little fuel tanks, in front and one side and another, so you can make 2 of them. That's neat. Sweet looking steering wheel. The blower section. Dual alternators, it looks like, or those may be pulleys. This is interesting. Nice air scoop here. One piece? Yeah, one piece air scoop. A little bit of blackout in there and that'll make it look tough. Some nice hemi valve covers. Miscellaneous suspension pieces here. Maybe some possible lights or little gauges right there and there. Front of the engine. Your timing belt or timing chain cover and all that good stuff. Alright. Get on to the next bit. We've got clear glass, which of course we're going to leave in the plastic. Got a front and a rear windshield and some side glass. And I don't know what this is unless it's something to block off the hood, maybe. Looks like a sunroof. I don't know, guys. Maybe it's part of another kit. Alright. Ooh. Ooh, the body is sharp looking. Let me get into that real quick. Oh yeah. Got some mold lines there, no big deal. A little bit slippery. We'll clean her up. Dress it up real nice. Oh, it's a sharp looking body though. I love the gray silver kind of color to the plastic itself. Nice sturdy kit too. Wow. Really nice. Some mold release pin marks in there. You can sand them down, no big deal, or just leave it down, you'd never see them. Really nice. There's a rear end view. In front. Sides. Really sharp. Nice. We'll put that back in the bag, keep it safe. And here we have some tires. Wow, guys, these tires are really nice looking. Holy cow. Uh-oh. So the tires, the rear slicks, are the two-piece. Okay. They go together. Fits real nice. It's hidden well because this will be the side that you want to see. It's got a nice red line look to it. Very sharp. Scuff them up a little bit for some realistic feel. That part goes in there. Oh, I guess I got that one in there backwards. This one doesn't go like this. It goes like that. That makes more sense. Yeah, now it looks more real. Alright, so those are the rears. And for the fronts, we have these red lines. And these are Goodyears. I didn't notice on the slicks. They don't say anything on that side. And nothing on that side. Alrighty. So those are those. And then this funny looking fan thing is actually a real belt, a vinyl rubber belt. You have to trim it out and place it around your blower assembly. Pretty cool. Alright, that's that. And we have, looks like 2 other bags of molded plastic here, molded in color. This piece here is the cockpit. Got your seat belt, seat harness, belt, seat. A couple of rear wheel inserts for the back. Some framework for like the trans and engine mount area. The cockpit. Alrighty. Here we have the rear end assembly, 2 halves, parachute, really nice looking parachute, fire extinguisher, small little drive shaft, ain't much of one from rear end to the transmission, that's all you need. A couple of rods here, they might be for the, nope, that's over there. Might just be part of the roll cage, so keep the driver safe. Here are some other parts here. Not sure if those are separate magnetos for the ignition system. A couple pieces here. Yeah, this kit's all new to me, guys. Sorry, I don't know a lot about this one. Here's the firewall block off, and the part of the scoop that sticks through the hood. Some side pieces that I'm assuming hook up to this piece here, which is the part that attaches into the body to allow it to lift. And this here is the little frame piece that goes in so that you can, I wonder if they have a picture. Yeah, they have a picture of it here on the cover on the box. It's this piece here. That's what this one is. It keeps the body up well, so the guys could work on it or whatever, you know. Alright. There's probably a name for that. I don't know what it is, though. It's pretty neat, though. It was always one of my favorite pieces when I was growing up. Alright, and last for body parts we have, I'm hoping an engine, because I haven't seen one yet. Let's see. Yep, there she is. Well, alright, first of all, because these are in my hand, two sides of the rail for the funny car. Pretty neat. I was wondering how this was going to be packaged. This is a nice job the way it's packaged. Very sturdy trees. Keep those fragile parts from getting damaged. Very nice. One for each side, and then this sprue tree here is all, excuse me, transmission halves, your engine block, oil pan, engine plate, boy, and then either the front or the rear engine plate, which basically serves as the engine mounts, intake manifold, transmission cooler pan, very cool, or transmission pan I guess it would be. These are the heads, very nice, and this little piece here, probably ignition coil, not sure on that. Here's the, oh no, here's the distributor cap here, so maybe that goes on that. That's just the distributor unit, and then some nice big headers. Very cool, very well done, very heavy duty plastic. It's going to be a fun kit to build. And since the decals are right here, I'll go ahead and get into them. If they're anything like the box art, it's just going to be some flames and a couple of words, it looks like. But you never know what kind of surprises are in store for us. Let's see. Oh, big surprise. There's two sheets of decals here, guys. I don't know if that was a mistake or if it's intentional. Holy cow, look at that. Very cool. Now one of them feels different than the other. These feel like your standard water slide decals. I wonder if these are stickers. I'll bet you that's what it is. Yeah, these are like peel and stick stickers. They're not decals. I don't want to destroy them here. Yep, there it is, guys. That's an actual sticker. Very cool. Very cool. We got the taillight section for your 69 Charger, your front grille, and a different option for the front grille. It almost looks like a 70 grill. Wonder what's up with that. And then the flames are basically the same. Can't really tell. Oh, look at there. They have two different taillight stickers also in decal. Very neat. I'm impressed with that one. Alrighty, let me go ahead and put that back together. Keep that well protected. Real quick, guys, I'm going to put it back in the bag if I can find it. Here it is. Yep, this kit is going to be something. Alright, here we go. Last but not least, we have the instructions. Remember, it's Polar Light Kit P98821. I saw the one here real quick, and yeah. Alrighty. This is obviously a 426 Hemi engine. No mistake in that one. All your parts, a lot of parts on the engine. Wow, very nice. Yep, that is the distributor and the distributor unit itself and the cap. Yep, gears for your pulley, supercharger drive pulley. There's your supercharger. I always call it a blower, but it's supercharger. Front belts, injector pump, idler pulley. Here's your belt. That pad printed belt they called it. And we put the frame together. Very nice deal. A lot of detail on the frame cockpit assembly. Very cool, guys. I'm impressed with this kit. Let's hope it goes together as easily as I'm hoping, you know. Oh, those things that I thought were magnetos are brake calipers. Left brake and right brake caliper assemblies. That's cool. Hard to see when it's that tiny, you know. Oh, rear window is that other piece that I thought was for sunroof or the hood. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, now it makes sense. It'd probably look better back there than cutting a hole in here for a funny car, right? Body parts. And then that thing, body brace they call it. I don't know what the real term is. And then decal placement suggestions. And that's it. Well, alrighty guys. I appreciate you all stopping by and checking out the video. Hope you're having yourselves a great day. Please remember to like, share, and comment, and subscribe, and keep on keeping on, because we're having a blast here. Alright guys, have a good one. We'll talk to you on the next one.